Welcome everyone to this session. Today, my colleagues Roberto and Simon will join me to unveil some of the key enhancements we are bringing to you this year. When planning PolyWorks 2025, we carefully considered your requests and the current trends in industrial manufacturing. Demand for quality control is higher than ever. It is driven by a nearly 5% rise in global production. To stay competitive, our clients aim to cut time to market by 20 to 50%. This is a significant challenge. Meanwhile, we are seeing innovative products that are introducing more complex part geometries across industries like automotive, aerospace, heavy engineering, and white goods. All these trends are reshaping the quality control room. To stay efficient, metrologists need scalable solutions that boost productivity and that can adapt to those evolving requirements. At Innometric, our mission is to help you measure more parts efficiently and with greater flexibility. We aim to eliminate bottlenecks in your inspection workflows, simplify complex tasks, and connect your processes with a powerful digital thread. Today, we are excited to unveil the key enhancements in PolyWorks Inspector 2025 that will help you expand the range of 3D measurement devices you can work with and save time and increase your throughput by improving the efficiency of your dimensional inspection workflows. Let's begin with CNC CMM enhancements, and we'll cover portable devices just after that. We are seeing a growing demand for integrating 3D scanning into CMM measurement workflows, as well as a need for faster programming and measurement times. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 delivers significant improvements in both areas, ensuring effortless efficiency in your CMM processes. Let's take a closer look.
3D scanners can be a valuable addition to your CMM toolset to increase measurement efficiency. Their high resolution, fast data acquisition and accuracy, combined with the CMM's automated measurement process, can make quick work of surface inspection. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 expands support for laser scanning on CMMs with Renishaw controllers and increases the range of supported 3D scanners with the latest Creon and LK models. To simplify scan path programming, this new release allows effortlessly setting the ideal laser scanner orientation using the CAD model surface while previewing the laser plane. Also, you can reuse a scan path with a different starting point to quickly create additional scans, speeding up measurement coverage and inspection sequence creation.
I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe it got you thinking about adding a 3D scanner to your CMM tool changer. Now let's move on to portable devices. As technology advances, new measurement devices are being introduced to address the manufacturing industry's needs. Think about challenging large-scale measurements like body-in-white or aerospace fuselage components. This year, we've developed plugins for these new long-range devices, enabling you to combine probing, non-contact probing, and scanning measurements within the same part inspection, giving you the true PolyWorks advantage. Let's watch the video and discover more.
PolyWorks Inspector 2025 offers new plugins for the Leica ATS-800 laser radar and API-9D LiDAR devices. This enables the use of these devices as hybrid non-contact measurement tools that seamlessly combine single-point probing and surface scanning. These capabilities allow building assemblies or inspecting parts with real-time measurements displayed in a digital readout, measuring features using predefined measurement points, probing surface points alignments, and scanning freeform prismatic surfaces. Also, the new plugins use the programmable measurement execution capability of these devices to automate single and multi-piece inspections within the sequence editor.
I I hope the last two videos gave you ideas on how you could enhance your acquisition workflows. In today's market, more complex designs plus competitive goals to reduce time to market are really driving the need for dimensional inspection processes to evolve. While our new plugins for new devices covers the data acquisition part of the process, there is an urgent need to enhance every step of the dimensional inspection workflow, from measurement process setup to measurement execution, and finally the reporting and the analysis. Our goal is clear: to optimize all your workflows for maximum efficiency. And this includes not only addressing key improvements, but also accelerating software performance and introducing innovative solutions to streamline your processes. Our product manager Simon Héroux will now present enhancements to the measurement process setup. Over to you, Simon.
Thank you, Eric, and hello, everyone. Measurement process setup is a crucial step. Currently, many of our customers have a part-centric approach for quality control, and defining the measurement process setup for single parts or even simple assemblies is relatively easy to do. But now, some companies are moving toward a product-centric approach, which means working with complex assemblies and sometimes full product definitions. This new approach comes with new challenges. Let's look at the following video to learn what we did this year to simplify working with complex assemblies.
Working with a complex CAD assembly consisting of multiple sub-assemblies and part instances can make measurement process setup very challenging. Simple tasks like hiding or ignoring a CAD component are arduous and time-consuming due to the large number of objects displayed in Inspector's tree view. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 lets you obtain the complete assembly structure and hierarchy when importing CAD assembly files. The assembly tree provides an organized structure for efficient navigation and identification of critical components in both your assembly and sub-assembly. Further, the clearly defined hierarchy paired with Inspector's easy-to-use tools makes visualizing and managing components quick and easy. These enhancements facilitate an efficient workflow for your measurement process setup and review. Additionally, you can easily reuse a subassembly of larger assembly files already imported in PolyWorks Inspector to create new inspection projects without having to re-import the CAD file and start from scratch. Simplify your measurement process with efficient CAD assembly management.
This new way of handling assemblies within Inspector will open the door to exciting new possibilities in the future. Now, back to our solutions for improving CNC CMM application. One of the most valuable features for CMM users in PolyWorks Inspector is the no-code approach to developing CMM programs. Here, our assisted sequencing technology helps to automate the creation of measurement sequences using an optimal measurement path. But working with intricate and complex features remain challenging. Since our goal is to automate CMM programming while keeping you in control, let's see how we have improved this experience in the next video.
Creating a CMM program for small and intricate features on complex CAD surfaces can be challenging. Programming for trimmed or very narrow features could require manual adjustments. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 automates the measurement setup of these features during inspection programming. It intelligently adjusts the exclusion distances to ensure feature measurability, places measurement points on trimmed features such as cylinders, cones, and spheres, and reduces the approach and retract distances on narrow cones. These improvements eliminate manual adjustments and ensure feature measurability regardless of size or complexity.
those are some key highlights that we showcase to improve the measurement process setup. Now, I'd like to hand the mic over to my colleague, Product Manager, Roberto.
Thank you, Simon, and hello, everyone. My name is Roberto Barreto, and I am Product Manager at Innometric. The next enhancement we are showcasing today is designed to improve your 3D scanning workflow, particularly for portable scanners. Today, 3D scanning is the go-to measurement method for many, and we have noticed an increasing number of parts measured using 3D scanning. PolyWorks Inspector pioneered operator guidance to ease operator workflows. Technologies such as real-time quality metrics ensure consistent, high-quality data acquisition. We continually offer innovative tools to minimize the steps in the acquisition and increase efficiency. So what do we bring in 2025? A new technique that offers you a robust alignment and operator guidance right off the bat when you begin scanning. Let's watch the video and see.
PolyWorks Inspector remains a market leader in 3D scanning-based inspections, owing to continuous innovations that help you increase your productivity. The 2025 release introduces a new pre-alignment feature that takes minimal user input to enable laser scanning within the coordinate system of the CAD model. Specify the scanning direction and your laser scanner is instantly aligned with the CAD model. You can now measure parts in an uninterrupted scanning workflow. After the first scan passes, you are automatically guided to ensure sufficient scan data coverage for all measurements and obtain real-time feedback on scan data quality. The productivity gain further increases with multi-piece inspections. The automated pre-alignment guarantees the repeatability of the measurement workflow, even when not using fixtures or fixed setups.
That new quick alignment is going to work well, whether you have a fixed setup with a fixture or are simply putting the part freely on the table. This year, we also look at our measurement reports. They are used to share findings from dimensional inspections with manufacturing teams who use them to take corrective actions. But what is actionable data exactly? Take your pass-fail information, for example. It tells you if the part or feature is good or not, but a simple go, no go doesn't give you enough information to correct the problem. Concerning GD&T controls, you asked us for more direct, actionable information. Let's look at what we have on offer in PolyWorks Inspector 2025 to gain better insights to share with manufacturing teams.
Dimensional inspection is used to find where part deviations occur and report their magnitude and direction, empowering manufacturing teams to take corrective action. Beyond identifying features that are out of tolerance, PolyWorks Inspector 2025 introduces GD&T enhancements that make your position and profile results actionable. GD&T derived dimensions display additional values that describe measured deviations expressed in the datum reference frame alignment. These include the center point coordinates of measured holes, the top, bottom, and maximum deviation coordinates of axial features, and the most in-material and out-of-material deviations and coordinates of surface profiles. These additional values help you understand deviations more completely, enabling the manufacturing team to pinpoint the corrective actions needed. In multiple part measurement, these insights, integrated with the comprehensive SPC toolbox and PolyWorks Inspector, help in identifying the performance of your manufacturing process.
A powerful reporting solution is absolutely crucial for effective decision-making in the quality control room. So that brings us to the conclusion of this session. Today you've seen that PolyWorks Inspector 2025 brings you bridges to the latest measuring devices, whether it's new scanner on CMM or long-range portable devices. You also saw a glimpse on how the latest version will enhance your measurement process setup while dealing with large CAD assembly files and while measuring small and intricate features. You also witnessed a new innovative solution that simplifies your scanning workflows, along with GD&T enhancements that provide deeper insights into your GD&T results. Thank you for joining us today. I invite you to go to My PolyWorks to download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 and explore the video tutorials, the articles, and the new release notes, as there are over 50 additional new features in this new release that you can benefit from. I wish you all great success in using PolyWorks Inspector 2025 to achieve all your dimensional inspection goals. And as always, do not hesitate to reach out to our team if you have any questions.